The ground is cracking under silent skies. April feels like June in disguise. I walk these fields I used to know, but something's missing, something's gone. No birds are singing like before, no soft wind knocking at my door. Just dust that dances in the light, like memories fading out of sight. And I don't need a warning sign, I feel it changing over time. The rain forgot my name, it used to call me home. Now I'm standing in the silence, feeling more alone. We thought it wouldn't change, we thought we had control, but the fields don't sing the same anymore. I see their shadows in my mind, the ones we left so far behind. They never scream, they never cry, just live their lives right by our side. And we took more than we could hold, turned beating hearts into the cold. Now even echoes start to fade of all the life we slowly raised. And I don't need to look away, I know exactly what we've changed. The rain forgot my name, it used to call me home. Now I'm standing in the silence, feeling more alone. We thought it wouldn't change, we thought we had control, but the fields don't sing the same anymore. If I could turn it back somehow, I listen more than I do now, to every breath we didn't hear, to every life that disappeared. The rain forgot my name, but I still call it back. In every quiet moment, in every step I track. We thought it wouldn't change, but maybe we still care, before the silence takes it all away. Ja, I miss the spur, aber wir haben nichts verändert.